to ask for rewrites. That actually improve your work. Most people don't have a writing problem. They have a rewrite problem. They ask for changes, and the result is longer, messier, or somehow worse than what they started with. That's not because the tool can't rewrite well. It's because the request is unclear. Here's the core issue. When you ask for a rewrite, you're usually reacting to a feeling. This doesn't sound right. This feels off. This isn't what I meant. But the model can't work with feelings. It works with decisions. So instead of asking, "Can you rewrite this?" you need to tell it what decision to change. Here's the rule. A good rewrite request names what to preserve and what to adjust. Not everything, just one thing. For example, this doesn't work well. Rewrite this to be better and clearer. That's vague. The model doesn't know what better means to you. Try this instead. Keep the structure the same, but make the tone more direct. Or, preserve the meaning, but reduce the length by about 30%. Or, keep the ideas intact, but remove any explanatory fluff. Notice what's happening. You're not asking for creativity. You're giving constraints. You're telling the model where not to touch and where to focus. Another mistake people make is stacking rewrite requests. They say things like, "Rewrite this to be clearer, more engaging, shorter, more professional, and less repetitive." That's 5 competing goals. The output will usually average them and lose sharpness. If you want multiple changes, do them in sequence. One rewrite, one decision, then another. Here's a simple pattern you can reuse. Rewrite this. Keep the same. Change. That's it. If you use that structure, rewrites stop feeling random. They start feeling precise. And instead of fighting the output, you guide it. Try this on your next rewrite request, and notice how much less fixing you have to do afterward. That's the difference between asking for more words and asking for better work.